Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home and doing work on time and doing practice of numericals also. You know that we are doing chapter light. So before starting the next topic, we are doing some CBSE questions today. So let's start. So first question for today is that is CBSE question related to refractive index. The refractive indices of turpentine oil, indices is the plural of index. Turpentine oil is the first medium given. Kerosene and alcohol are 1.47, 1.44 and 1.36 respectively. On the basis of this information, complete the following ray diagrams to show the path of ray of light through each medium. Means this path 1 is given and this path 2nd is given. So you have to complete this answer. So in the solution of this question, I am telling you what is given, which medium is given, turpentine oil is given. So first of all we will write refractive index of turpentine. Refractive index, what is the value of this is given, 1.47, and next is given kerosene, and next is whose value is 1.44, and next is given alcohol whose value is 1.36. So what is the question here? It is going in the first figure या first diagram, you can say that figure first, figure second, we have to complete this. So what does it mean? What does it mean? He is asking complete this path. So from where it is going? Alcohol to kerosene to turpentine. What does it mean? Alcohol to kerosene and kerosene to turpentine. So as you can see that alcohol refractive index is 1.36, kerosene is 1.44 and turpentine oil is 1.47. Whose refractive index is more, that is a denser medium. We know that formula of refractive index is given by C upon Vm. What does it mean? Ki more is refractive index, then speed of the light in that particular medium is less, or whenever speed decreases, the ray of light bend towards the normal. So according to that concept, we will draw the normal, and what would happen? It would bend towards the normal. Again it would go from kerosene to turpentine oil, kerosene to turpentine. So again it is more denser. So again at this point normal. So what would happen? It would bend towards the normal. So this is the path of the ray of light for the first figure. It bend towards the normal because it enter from rarer to this. Alcohol is a rarer medium and then turpentine is the most denser medium. So it means the medium whose refractive index is maximum is a denser medium. Or what is given in this question? Turpentine oil. In the second part, what is given? Turpentine to kerosene and kerosene to alcohol. Opposite is given. What does it mean? It is going from denser to rarer medium. It is going from denser to rarer medium. So when a ray of light enter from denser to rarer medium, then speed of light increases. So it bends away from the normal. So this is the normal. So it bends away from the normal like this. If we will see this, this is the original path. So it bends away from the normal. Again, it is going from kerosene to alcohol. Kerosene is 1.46, alcohol is 1.36. So again in the second step, two questions are there. Again it would bend away from the normal. So these are the two figures we have to complete according to given information, and reason is asking. So this type of question you would get in CBSE in 3 marks. Let's see the next question. So now this next question, the path of light ray from 3 different media A, B and C for a given angle of incidence are shown below. Study the diagram and answer the following question. So 3 mediums are given, medium A, medium B and medium C. Air is the first medium in all the 3, but second medium is different. And angle of I value is same in all the cases. And R value is different in each medium. In first medium it is given 50 degree, second it is given 45 degree, third it is given 40 degree. R value is different for all. The first question based on these figure is, which of the 3 media A, B, C has maximum optical density? What is the meaning of maximum optical density? Maximum optical density means denser medium. Denser medium means more refractive index. More refractive index. What is the meaning of more refractive index? Means maximum, because N formula is C upon Vm. More refractive index means less speed of light. Less speed of light mean more bending towards the, more bending. What does it mean? More bending of speed of light. Speed of light towards normal. So these concept we have to think towards normal. So in which case you are watching more bending is there. Here it is 50 degree only, less bending. Here it is 45 degree and here it is 40 degree. Means out of 60 degree it maximum bend towards the normal. It means medium C is the denser medium. So which of the three media has maximum optical density? So your answer is C media. Now second part, through which of the three media will the speed of light be maximum? Means you know that just now I have written, if this is maximum then refractive index would be less. It means bends away from normal. So in which case less bending you are able to see. So in the first medium you are able to see less bending. So that answer of second part according to the given figure and by applying concept is your A medium. What is your answer for this second question? For this second question is your A medium. Now next, will the light traveling from A to B bend towards normal or away from normal? Now this is a relative refractive index type question. A to B, but here it is given A, air with respect A medium and air and medium B. Now we will compare which is rarer and which is denser. So it's 50 degree angle here and it is 45 degree. So it is rarer and it is denser as compared to air. So what does it mean? A is a rarer medium and B is a denser medium. So when a ray of light enter from rarer to denser medium, then you will say it bend towards the normal. So what would answer come here? It will bend towards the normal. It would go away from normal if it enter from rarer to denser. When it enter from rarer to denser, then bend towards the normal, or when it enter from denser to rarer, then it bends away from normal. So what is the answer of this? It would bend towards the normal when it enter from A to B, because from these angles we come to know that A is rarer medium and B is denser medium. It means you have to apply definitions and these concepts in these all form diagrams, and then only we are able to give these type of answers in CBSE. So you can see that what type of questions you would get in the CBSE. Thank you and have a nice day.